Hi everyone. In today's video, I will be talking about hyaluronic acid. What is hyaluronic acid? Who is the right candidate for hyaluronic acid? What is the best way of using hyaluronic acid and how do you choose the right hyaluronic acid is what I am going to discuss in this video. So what is hyaluronic acid? You may have heard of collagen and elastin. Collagen and elastin are fibers that are responsible for skin's elasticity, firmness and lifting. And these collagen and elastin fibers are present in a medium which is a sugar medium that's called hyaluronic acid. What is the role of hyaluronic acid? Hyaluronic acid is good for, it's responsible for the hydration of your skin, for the suppleness of your skin, for moisturization of your skin. So that's the role of hyaluronic acid. And when the hyaluronic acid is less, with age the hyaluronic acid starts going down, and when the hyaluronic acid reduces in your skin, the skin's hydration, suppleness, elasticity, firmness will go down. So what do you do then? How do you choose the right hyaluronic acid? What are the things that you have to keep in mind before buying the right hyaluronic acid, and what are the different forms of hyaluronic acid? Hyaluronic acid is available as serums, and it is also available as shots, as collagen shots, oral hyaluronic acid that is, and it is also available as injectables. Injectable hyaluronic acid is very good for people who have a lot of sagging, a lot of volume loss, somebody who wants an instant result, somebody who's looking for a long lasting result. And now a few things about the hyaluronic acid serums. What are the things that you have to keep in mind before you buy a hyaluronic acid serum? The most important thing is the molecular weight. Higher the molecular weight of your hyaluronic acid, lesser will be the penetration. So, but that does not mean that you buy hyaluronic acids with low molecular weight, because it is preferable that you buy something that has different molecular weights of hyaluronic acid, so the penetrations will be at different levels of your skin and the hydration will be very good. So that's one thing. Another important thing is that you may have heard, if you've seen the labels of hyaluronic acid serums, you may have seen this word sodium hyaluronate. What is sodium hyaluronate? That is a salt of hyaluronic acid, and this salt has a low molecular weight, and which means the penetration of this salt is very good. So the penetration of sodium hyaluronate is very good in your skin. So that's one thing that I wanted to tell you. Another important thing that you have to keep in mind before you buy a hyaluronic acid serum is the percentage of hyaluronic acid. So does this mean that a higher percentage of hyaluronic acid will be good, will be better? That's not true. Why do I say so? A good percentage, a decent hyaluronic acid would be something that has 1 to 2% of hyaluronic acid. This is because, like I said, hyaluronic acid is a salt. So since it is a salt, it's going to absorb water, it's going to extract water from your skin if the percentage is higher. So a good percentage, 1 to 2%, is good enough for your skin, and it's going to help the water penetrate into the skin rather than extracting water from your skin. So here I wanted to clarify this one very important thing, that a higher percentage of hyaluronic acid does not mean that it is superior and the results will be better. Now, third thing that you should know about hyaluronic acid, where most of my patients are going wrong, here it is the application, the right way of applying hyaluronic acid serums. So remember to apply hyaluronic acid on a damp skin, and then you have to seal it with a moisturizer, because when you apply it on a damp skin, the hyaluronic acid is going to absorb the water that's there on the surface of your skin, and when you seal it with a moisturizer, the hyaluronic acid will not evaporate. So it is important that whatever you're applying does not evaporate, because if it evaporates, it's going to take away all the moisture from your skin also. So remember to always seal it with a moisturizer. Another important thing that I wanted to talk about is that hyaluronic acid is very good for hydrating your skin, and hydration of skin is different from moisturization, and which is why people with oily skin may also require a hyaluronic acid, because even if you have a very oily skin, your skin could be dehydrated. So remember to apply a good hyaluronic acid in winters, even if you have an oily skin, and seal it with a moisturizer that's for oily skin. And now a few words about oral hyaluronic acid. So these are available as collagen shots, and these shots are fortified with a lot of other vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, biotin. It has collagen, it has vitamin D. So there are good collagen shots that are available these days, which you can take on alternate days for 2 to 3 months, and then maybe discontinue for a few months, and then you can I always say, you can keep changing your supplements. Maybe do omega-3 or a zinc supplement or a biotin supplement, some of the other supplement throughout the year, and keep changing the supplements. Don't overdo any supplement. Injectable hyaluronic acid, these are also becoming very popular. There are two types of injectable hyaluronic acids available: the non-cross-linked injectable hyaluronic acid and the cross-linked hyaluronic acid. Non-cross-linked injectable hyaluronic acids are more for hydration, they are for dehydrated skin, and the cross-linked hyaluronic acids are more for skin's tightness, lifting, firming, and they are more for volume loss, for sagging skin. I hope the video was informative. For more such informative content on skin and hair, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Dadu Medical Center, and press the bell icon for latest updates. You can also follow us on Instagram at Dadu Skin Clinic.